Imagine a place untouched by time, a landscape sculpted by ancient forces and left in pristine glory. This is the Driftless Area, a truly unique and captivating region nestled primarily within the heart of Wisconsin. It stands in stark, beautiful contrast to the surrounding Midwestern landscape. While much of the Midwest is characterized by its generally flat and expansive terrain, a legacy of relentless glacial advances, the Driftless Area tells a different story. It represents a geological anomaly, a pocket of land that miraculously remained untouched by those powerful ice sheets. This historical oversight by the glaciers preserved a rugged and dramatic topography unlike anything else in the region. The absence of glacial drift, the sediment left behind by melting glaciers, allowed the underlying bedrock to retain its original form. This ancient land offers a glimpse into a primordial past, inviting exploration and wonder at every turn. Its distinct character provides a refreshing departure from the familiar, flat horizons. This geological marvel makes the Driftless Area a destination of extraordinary natural beauty and scientific fascination. It's a testament to the power of nature and the surprising corners it leaves for us to discover. Prepare to be enchanted by its singular charm. The defining characteristic of the Driftless Area is its breathtaking landscape of deep river valleys. These valleys are not merely depressions, they are profound canyons, meticulously carved into the earth over millennia by powerful waterways. They wind and twist, revealing layers of geological history with every curve. Complementing these impressive valleys are towering limestone bluffs that majestically flank them. These dramatic bluffs reach towards the sky, their sheer faces often revealing ancient fossil beds and intricate rock formations. They stand as silent sentinels, guarding the serene waterways below. The interplay between these deep valleys and soaring bluffs creates a continuously unfolding panorama. Each vantage point offers a new perspective on the region's rugged grandeur. It's a feast for the eyes, where every turn in the road promises another awe-inspiring vista. These natural wonders are not just for admiring from a distance. They invite interaction, beckoning adventurers to explore their depths and heights. The unique geology provides a playground for outdoor enthusiasts and a sanctuary for those seeking peace in nature's embrace. Step into the Driftless Area, and you might feel a remarkable sense of familiarity, as if you've traveled far beyond the Midwest. Its overall atmosphere is often compared to the rolling hills and picturesque vineyards of Tuscany. It's no wonder this region has earned the affectionate nickname, the Tuscany of the Midwest. The scenic characteristics truly live up to this charming moniker. Winding, scenic roads meander gracefully through valleys and over hills, revealing breathtaking views at every turn. These journeys are not just about reaching a destination, they are an integral part of the experience itself, a slow dance with the landscape. Beyond the natural beauty, a strong agricultural heritage defines the Driftless Area. This is particularly evident in its proliferation of organic dairy farms, whose pastures carpet the hillsides in lush greens. This deep connection to the land and its bounty contributes significantly to the region's pastoral charm and authentic feel. The combination of productive farms and stunning natural beauty creates an unparalleled sense of tranquility and connection. It offers a much-needed respite, a rare commodity in our fast-paced modern life. Here, you can slow down, breathe deeply, and reconnect with simpler pleasures. This idyllic setting fosters an environment where genuine hospitality flourishes. Small towns and local businesses embody a warmth that makes visitors feel instantly welcome. The Driftless Area provides a unique blend of natural splendor and heartfelt community. The rolling topography, verdant fields, and clear streams offer endless opportunities for scenic drives and quiet contemplation. Every vista feels like a painting, inviting you to pause and soak in its quiet majesty. It is truly a balm for the soul. The agricultural rhythms of the land infuse the local culture with a profound appreciation for seasonality and fresh produce. This translates directly into the region's culinary offerings, which are deeply rooted in its bounteous landscape. You can taste the essence of the Driftless Area in every meal. This dedication to local sourcing supports a vibrant network of independent producers and artisans. Their passion for their craft adds another layer of authenticity and character to the region. It's a place where quality and tradition are deeply valued. The unhurried pace encourages visitors to truly immerse themselves in the local way of life. Spend an afternoon exploring a quaint village, or simply enjoy the peace of a country road. This escape from the ordinary is precisely what makes the Driftless Area so special. It is a place where beauty and sustenance intertwine, creating a harmonious environment that nurtures both the land and its people. The Tuscany of the Midwest is more than a nickname. It's an invitation to experience life a little more slowly, a little more beautifully. Nestled comfortably within the heart of the Driftless Area lies Veracqua, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. This small town, with its charming main street and friendly atmosphere, offers a surprising level of sophistication that belies its size. It perfectly encapsulates the spirit of the wider region. Veracqua boasts a remarkably diverse range of restaurants and cafes, making it a true foodie destination. The culinary scene here celebrates locally sourced ingredients with passion and creativity. Chefs transform fresh produce and meats into innovative and memorable dishes, reflecting the bounty of the surrounding farms. Dining in Veracqua is an experience that connects you directly to the land. Menus often highlight seasonal availability, showcasing the freshest offerings from nearby producers. Each meal tells a story of the region's rich agricultural traditions and the dedicated hands that cultivate its food. The town's vibrant community spirit is palpable, often expressed through its thriving local businesses and cultural events. There's a palpable energy that combines small-town charm with a forward-thinking approach to sustainable living and local entrepreneurship. It's a place where community truly matters. One of Veracqua's most enchanting features is its close access to the agricultural heart of the Driftless Area. Just a short drive away, you'll find numerous Amish farm stands dotting the scenic roads. These stands offer a fascinating glimpse into a simpler, more traditional way of life. Here you can purchase an abundance of fresh, organic produce, hand-baked goods, and artisanal crafts directly from the families who produce them. It's a direct connection to the source, a tangible link to the rich agricultural traditions that have sustained this region for generations. Each purchase supports a way of life. These interactions provide a unique cultural experience, allowing visitors to appreciate the dedication and craftsmanship inherent in Amish communities. The quality and freshness of their offerings are unparalleled, making every visit a rewarding treasure hunt. You'll leave with more than just provisions. You'll leave with a story. Veracqua serves as an ideal base camp for exploring all that the Driftless Area has to offer. Its central location allows easy access to picturesque landscapes, outdoor adventures, and other charming small towns. It truly is the gateway to this enchanting region. The town's commitment to sustainable practices and local commerce creates a welcoming and authentic atmosphere for both residents and visitors. From its bustling farmers market to its unique boutiques, Veracqua embraces its identity as a hub for conscious living. It's a small town with a big heart. Whether you're savoring a gourmet meal, exploring an antique shop, or simply enjoying a cup of coffee at a local cafe, Veracqua invites you to slow down and savor the moment. It's a place where simple pleasures take on profound meaning. This hidden gem shines brightly. To truly experience the essence of the Driftless Area, one must immerse themselves in the vibrant life of places like Veracqua and its picturesque surroundings. It's an invitation to engage with both the stunning natural beauty and the rich, evolving local culture. This region promises more than just sights. It offers sensations. The overall appeal of the Driftless Area lies in its masterful combination of stunning scenery, a thriving food scene, and a profound connection to the land. These elements weave together to create an unforgettable tapestry of experiences. It is a harmonious blend that resonates deeply with visitors. This truly is a special destination, unlike any other, that offers a refreshing escape from the ordinary. It encourages exploration, inspires relaxation, and ignites a sense of wonder. The Driftless Area provides a sanctuary where time seems to slow down, allowing for true rejuvenation. Imagine days spent driving along scenic byways, stopping at overlooks to gaze upon rolling hills and winding rivers. Picture yourself discovering charming small towns, each with its own unique character and welcoming spirit. Every moment here is an opportunity for discovery. The thriving food scene invites you to indulge in farm-to-table delights, from artisanal cheeses to fresh, seasonal produce. Culinary adventures await, promising delicious memories that linger long after your visit. Your taste buds will thank you for this journey. Beyond the gastronomy, the connection to the land is a palpable presence. Whether you're hiking a bluff, fishing in a trout stream, or simply enjoying the peaceful hum of a working farm, you'll feel a deep sense of belonging. It's a grounding experience in the truest sense. The Driftless Area calls to those seeking authentic experiences, a break from the conventional, and a genuine connection with nature and community. It's more than a destination. It's an invitation to explore a piece of America that remained beautifully, wonderfully untouched. Come, discover its magic for yourself.